Scientific experiments have not shown the simultaneous existence of the past, present, and future. In any case, most scientists remain skeptical about the block universe. It is difficult to reconcile this theory with the principle of causality and with quantum mechanics. Quantum physics suggests that some processes are probabilistic, and therefore the future is not entirely predetermined. Now let's move on to another theory. Time might be cyclical. This idea is ancient and goes back to many cultures and philosophies, including Hindu thought and Nietzsche's concept of the eternal return. According to this theory, time would not be linear, but rather cyclical. The universe would go through a series of infinite cycles, creating and recreating itself eternally. You have to imagine the universe as a wheel that turns endlessly. After a certain period of time, it would return to its initial state and start again in exactly the same way. Every event, every life, every action repeats itself endlessly. We would live the same life over and over again without knowing it. This theory may seem appealing to some because it gives a kind of eternity to existence, but it also presents major conceptual problems. If time is cyclical, it means that events in the future influence those in the past. Since the cycle is closed in on itself, it creates time paradoxes that are even more complex than those of the block universe. For example, if we can travel through time within this cycle, is it really possible to influence events that are both in our future and in our past? This calls into question the principle of causality, where a cause always precedes its effect. Finally, modern astrophysics tells us that the universe is expanding at an accelerated rate, which does not support the theory of a cyclic universe. Current data suggests that the universe will continue to expand indefinitely rather than contracting again to start a new cycle.